Style trends fade in and out for clothes, shoes, music, and yes, even sunglasses. Whether you're into keeping up with new trends or you're still wearing your Bausch & Lomb Ray-Bans from the 1980s, in this video you'll learn our top affordable picks for men's sport, fashion, and casual shades. Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. I'm Zach, and this is the destination on YouTube for all things optical, sunglasses, and lens technology. We're out here in Florida where the sun is always shining, except during our crazy storms. However, not all sunglasses are created equal. Styles that work for avid outdoorsmen might not check all the boxes for someone who is fashion forward. Speaking of the outdoors, let's start with the best men's sports sunglasses. Sweat is a big factor in sports and outdoor activities, so you want shades that won't slip down on your face when you're getting kind of moist. That's where our top sports sunglasses come in handy. The Fuse Anclote, Egmont, and Egmont XL all start under $50. Our Anclote model was made for sweat, with rubberized nose pads and inner arms, and spring hinges that bounce back. That way, you'll never have to worry about them falling down or losing their grip. Durability is another huge factor in quality sports sunglasses because they're more likely to sustain impact than casual or fashion shades. That's why we designed Anclote with a sturdy frame material and shatterproof lenses. In fact, at Fuse, all of our lenses are shatterproof polycarbonate. More on those 20+ lens options in a second. Anclotes come in matte black, sand, and thin red line, which have a red stripe on the inner arms. Bonus, any thin red line purchase donates money to firefighters. Our other sporty frame, Fuse Egmont, has rubberized nose grips too, and a classic square frame that stays in place. They come in matte black, gloss black, thin red line, and matte black tortoise fade. So lots of options if you have certain style preferences. The Egmont also comes in XL for people who like a bigger size, so everyone can have comfortably fitting sport sunglasses. Overall, they're perfect for outdoor adventuring and sportswear. If you're outdoorsy, definitely check out our playlist, Experience Life in the Outdoors, in the description, because we have videos on the best sunglasses for all kinds of activities. And make sure to like this video if you're enjoying it so far. If you spend a lot of time doing activities outside, you've probably noticed that different types of lenses help with different things, like how polarized lenses help when you're out in the water, and color-enhancing lenses can help with sport performance. That's why Fuse offers lens customizations with over 20 different mirrored and non-mirrored tints. That includes photochromic lenses, prescription, blue light, clear, and the state-of-the-art AMP color-enhancing lenses. You can learn more about all of our options in our new video, Fuse Sunglasses, Glasses, and Customization, and about our color-enhancing lenses in our video, What are color-enhancing sunglasses? Hint, they're Fuse AMP lenses. Both videos are linked in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, onto more trendy sunglasses for people who care a little more about form over function. Men's style options usually change at a slower rate than women's, but that doesn't mean that men's sunglasses have to be boring. Fuse has something for everybody, including the style-centric guys out there. We have a video guide to the best men's eyewear trends for 2022 if you want to learn more, so be sure to check out that one after this video. One of our coolest frames is Fuse Talbot, which is available in gold and chrome. This geometric metal frame makes it a classic with a twist, and it's lightweight enough that you might even forget you're wearing them. We especially love pairing them with our polarized gradient lenses. Another on-trend option is the Fuse Sunset, which also comes in chrome and gold. It's a rounded metal frame that you can wear when you're watching the sunset with a date that you got because of how cool they thought your sunglasses were. Okay, maybe that's a stretch, but you can get these frames with our orange and red mirrored cascade lenses, which match the whole sunset theme. Then there's our Jupiter frame in clear tortoise fade and matte black. They're light but sturdy and have a keyhole bridge, which means the frame weight is more evenly distributed, leaving wiggle room for your nose. Keyhole frames are super comfortable for people with bigger noses, which is why we love them. Our final fashion pick is Anne Maria, which despite the name is an awesome pick for trendy guys. They're one of our most popular frame styles, and they're as light as a feather so you can wear them all day. They come in tortoiseshell, classic black, and of course they also come with any of our lens styles. Lenses can make or break a pair of sunglasses, literally if you're not wearing a shatter-resistant lens, so we recommend checking out all the options we offer on fuselenses.com/YouTube. Some of our favorite fashion lens styles are our bronze mirrored, gradient tinted lenses and our aviation-inspired G15 lens. Face shape is another important factor when you're picking out sunglasses. It helps to know your shape so you can get the proper fit and functionality. And for style-focused people, you probably want to prioritize what looks good on your face. If you aren't sure which style would look good on you, check out our video, Best Sunglasses for Your Face Shape. And be sure to like this video if you've been enjoying it. Now, how about some chill styles? At Fuse, we have some great casual men's sunglasses for everyday activities. Sanibel is an aviator frame that's lightweight, thin, and flexible. It comes in black and gold, and it's one of our most practical everyday styles, since these guys don't weigh you down. It's one of our most standard frames out there and really works for any outfit or activity. Like anything Tom Cruise was ever doing in Top Gun. Seriously, he was always wearing those things. sunglasses. One of our newer frames, Summerland, is another great combination of function and fashion. They are a twist on a classic Wayfarer shape and come in gloss black, rubberized matte black, and a cool clear gray. They're ultra versatile, classic, and overall one of our favorite styles. For variations in weather, activities, and light conditions, our favorite lenses to pair with either one of these frames are standard gray. They provide true color perception and a neutral view for everyday activities. Whether you want sport, fashion, or casual shades, get your own pair of Fused sunglasses at fusedlenses.com/YouTube. Like I mentioned before, we have over 20 lens options that can be customized with mirror colors, anti-reflective coatings, polarization, and yes, even color enhancing. Oh, and I almost forgot, prescription. If you're interested in our lenses but already own a pair of frames you love, Fused specializes in custom replacement lenses as well. So you can get any of our lenses in any brand and style of frame. Of course, you don't have to own just one pair of sunglasses. So feel free to keep the lens you already have, but also get a pair of our shades for different needs or even just to switch things up. If this video helped you discover the style of sunglasses you want, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos on sunglasses, lenses, and vision. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.